Hi friends, last time we have seen the solutions of a quadratic equation by completing the squares. Now today we will see the formula for solving a quadratic equation. Hope you have completed the practice set 2.3. Now this is the method of solving the quadratic equation with the help of formula. Now I will just tell you how that formula has been derived. Take out page number 39 and I will start reading. Ax square plus bx plus c. Divide the polynomial by a, where a is not equal to 0. To get x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a, what we have to do is to divide by a to this polynomial x square plus bx plus c. Now it will become x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a. Here ax square, a will cut with this a, that means it will divide. Now we obtain roots or solutions of equation x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0, which is equivalent to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now see here, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and it becomes x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0 by dividing by a. Therefore x square plus b upon ax plus b upon 2a whole bracket square minus b upon 2a whole bracket square. What we did here is we have subtracted the two squares. If we subtract this from this, it will become 0. We have not changed any values on this given equation. Plus c upon a is equal to 0. Now it will become x plus b upon 2a whole bracket square minus b square upon 4a square plus c upon a, which is equal to 0. See here given difference of two square numbers that we have subtracted here. On next page, that is page number 40, x plus b upon 2a whole bracket square minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a square is equal to 0. Therefore x plus b upon 2a whole bracket square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. We have shifted this minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a to the LHS, it became positive. Therefore x plus b upon 2a is equal to under root b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. What we did here, we took the under root, square root of both sides, LHS as well as RHS. The square sign has removed here. Here there was no square sign, therefore only under root sign came here. Or we can say x plus b upon 2a is equal to minus under root b square minus 4ac upon a square. Therefore x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b upon 2a minus under root b square minus 4ac upon a square. Therefore x is equal to, by solving this we get, see here, minus b upon 2a. If we take the square root of 4a square, it will be 2a. Here also square root of 4a square is 2a. Denominator of the both terms is 2a. Here also 2a, 2a. So we can directly subtract or add. It becomes minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac, or x is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So these are the formulas. We can say alpha and beta, they are denoted by alpha and beta. Alpha is equal to minus b plus 4 under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The values of a, b and c from equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are substituted in this formula and then further simplified to obtain the roots of the solution. Now we will see one example. This was the derivation of the formula. Now how it is used. See, one example is given. Solve the quadratic equation using formula. One equation is given, m square minus 4m plus 13 is equal to 0. Now compare this given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now what we get, a is equal to, instead of a, here we have taken 1 because the value of coefficient is 1. B, value of b is minus 14 and value of c is 13. So in the formula we have b square minus 4ac. We will find that value first. B is minus 14, square of minus 14, then minus 4 times a, c. A is 1 and c is 13. 14 square is 196 minus 13 fours are 52. 196 minus 52 becomes 144. This is the value of b square minus 4ac, which is there in this formula. B square minus ac, which is in the under root side. First we have to find that. Then we come to the formula. Formula is m is equal to minus plus or minus under root minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. We have to just substitute the values. Value of b is minus 14. So minus in the bracket minus 14 plus or minus under root, the value of b square minus 4ac which we have found here is 144. Put that value here. Solve that. Minus minus becomes plus 14, plus or minus square root of 144 is 12, plus minus 12 upon 2. Once we will add and then we will subtract here. M is equal to 14 plus 12 upon 2, or M is equal to 14 minus 12 upon 2. Here it is 26 upon 2, here it is 2 upon 2. Then 26 upon 2 becomes 13, and m is equal to 1. These are the two values. Therefore, 13 and 1 are the roots of the given equation m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Just go to these solved examples and solve the practice set 2.4 on page number 43 as a homework.